Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox a new Dasung product. As usual, we have a very nice packaging from Dasung. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. Alright, here we go. So this is the new generation of the Dasung Paperlike. This is the model HDFT-M. It is a big 13.3-inch e-ink display and it has an incredible refresh rate. It is one of the fastest e-ink devices. It looks very nice with this white new color. It has a nice and fresh look. And it's really lightweight. Wow! It is also extremely thin. I don't know if you can see it through the camera. But trust me, it has a good build quality. Bezels are thinner and the buttons are now on the vertical left side of the screen. And it makes the use way easier than before. Good move, Dasung! So I'm going to put it on the side and we're going to see it later. They also included a magnetic protective case. It is smooth and nice to touch. It feels like velvet. It is interesting to see how Dasung products become more and more defined and detailed. Now let's explore the rest of the box. So we have some VESA mount screws. Then we have this stand stick that must be applied in the back of the screen. Then we have, of course, the video cable. So on one side we have the full HDMI plug and on the other side the mini HDMI cable for the video transmission. And then we have a second cable, Type-C to power the device itself. And this is a thank you letter from Dasung to all its customers. This is very nice from them. Now we can mount the stand stick behind the screen and I'm going to show you how to do it. These parts are made of rubber and are going to guarantee a very good grip on the table. And here we are. The device is ready to be used. So guys, this was the unboxing of the new Dasung Paperlike HDFT-M. So if you have specific things you would like me to talk about, just let me know in the comments below and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my next videos. See you guys!